Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Bombay and Cedar. Now, if you remembered in my goals video, I did talk about not reducing my boxes, but switching them up. And so unfortunately, this will be my last Bombay and Cedar box. I'm not quitting it for any other reason that other than I just want to switch things up. There's nothing about this box that I dislike. I would recommend it, but this is an unboxing channel and I'm ready to move on to something new, to try out some new stuff, because obviously I go through all the hard times of trying new boxes out, so you don't have to. Again, there is a giveaway going on. It's linked down below. 8 winners. Let's get us to 2.5 so we can give this stuff away. So I don't know why I'm saying we. So I can give this stuff away. I don't know. Let's get into Bombay and Cedar. The last Bombay and Cedar. So again, that's what the box looks like. I already showed you that. Oh, there's other information down there too if you are interested. So I open it up and this is what I see. You do get a little pamphlet that tells you everything that's in the box and how much it cost. Oh, and obviously I don't know how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen. So the first thing I am pulling out is what looks like a necklace. It's pretty. So it looks like this. I won't personally wear this. It's not my style, but I'm sure that somebody out there will be interested in it. So I'll just pass it along to one of you guys. Oof. Okay, so it's a birthstone necklace by Wonderlust and Company, and it retails for $79. Oh, it does have a stone in it. I didn't notice that before. That is not my birthstone though. I don't personally know anybody, or at least I don't think I do, that has a blue birthstone. Not entirely sure, but I mean, it's pretty. Oh, and it says it's 14 to 18 karat gold or rhodium plated. So, I mean, that's a nice piece of jewelry. I'm sure somebody out there will love to have that. So the next thing I am pulling out are multivitamins by Sugar Bear Hair. And there's also, this was on top. I don't know if that's supposed to be on top, but it is a little hair scrunchie. It's a hair scrunchie that has little unicorns on it. Can you see that? That's super cute. I like it. Cool. Let's see. So the multivitamins by Sugar Bear Hair retails for $30, and they look like little gummy bears. I will have to check out the ingredients just to make sure there isn't anything super crazy in here that I would be allergic to, but I mean, that's cool. I'm down to try it. Oh, so here's a quick rundown of the Sugar Bear. There's no gelatin, no dairy, no gluten, no side effects. I'll read that in more detail later, but I mean, that's a decent little rundown right there. So I don't know if I'm just not seeing it, or maybe this was an extra item. But I am not seeing anything about this scrunchie, so. The next thing I am pulling out is Nectar of the Sea Rejuvenating Vitamin C Serum. And this retails for $28. Okay, that's cool. I have a ton of skincare going on right now, so I probably will just pass this along. I have so much skincare right now that it's a little overwhelming. Like I need to start using stuff up. I need to give it away, something like that's how much I have. So it's a little crazy. The next thing I am pulling out is a candle. It says hand poured candle by Urban Wax Refinery, and it retails for $15 to $22. They come in nice little bubble wrap. Ooh, that is so pretty. I absolutely love that container. Let's see. And this is honey glazed pumpkin. It smells pretty good. It's I don't know if I smell honey glazed pumpkin. There is a small sweet smell to it, but I don't smell honey glazed pumpkin, but it does smell good. It does smell sweet, so that's nice. And I really love the container. That looks really expensive. The next thing I am pulling out is oatmeal Colladol bath soak, green tea, and peppermint. Oh, I love bath soaks. Okay, let's see. This retails for $24, and let's see. What a better way to get perked up for the day? Well, I don't get perked up for the day. If I take a bath, it's super, super late at night. So, but let's see. This bath soak is luxurious and will make your skin feel silky smooth as you relax in the delicious scent of the soothing ingredients. You know, I just made a mess. Oh, that smells so good. It actually, what it smells like, I just spilled it all over the place. But what it kind of smells like is chocolate mint. And I know it said peppermint, but I smell chocolate too. Delicious, even though I made a mess. The next thing I am pulling out are the essential oils that we get in every box. And we generally always get 2. Did it spill? I think it may have spilled one of them. That looks completely full. So that is silver fir, and this is bergamot. No, it doesn't look like it spilled. It smells really strong though. So the silver fir retails for $14, and the bergamot, it's bergamot mint, retails for $14. That smells really, really good. I'm really going to enjoy adding this bergamot mint to my laundry. I think that's one thing I will miss about this box are these essential oils. Okay, so this is an on-the-go fabric shaver by Gleaner. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Let's see, so it says, this is a must-have. I'm not going to take it out of the package just because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I don't know if I want to pass it along or keep it. But it says, this is a must-have for last-minute wardrobe touch-ups. 3 fabric-friendly edges eliminate pilling, while an uber-handy lint brush dust away pet hair and dandruff. And includes a matching storage pouch. So that's cool. I don't really ever need a lint brush. I mean, we do have dogs, but they're not allowed around my clothes because I'm allergic to dogs. So I don't know. It's something I'll consider. I don't want to take it out of the packaging for now just because I don't know what I want to do with it. The next thing I am pulling out is this. What is this? Steamed and marinated, I can't talk today. Steamed and marinated snack artichokes. Basil and thyme. Vegan, no trans fat, gluten-free, non-GMO. Fresh alternative to dry snacks. Ready to eat quarters of artichoke lightly marinated with basil and thyme. That sounds really good. I might eat that now for lunch. Let's see. Marinated veggies by Poshi, and they retail for $2.49. I mean, I'm down. I'm glad to have it. I don't know. That's for the oils, I guess. And it just fell out. I don't know. The next thing I am pulling out, it says it's a 12-month undated planner. Every moment is beautiful. And that retails for $19. Let's take a peek. Oh, okay. Cool. So it's just a planner. I don't use planners as much as I just use tablets to keep notes in. I'll keep it around for a little bit. If not, maybe I'll pass it along to my daughter. I don't know if she would need anything like this. We'll figure it out. If not, maybe I'll pass it along to one of you guys. Okay, you guys, so that was my Bombay and Cedar. It was the last one, unfortunately, but new things to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys have a very great day, very good day. One of those days. Bye.